Gjegjë buresh, vazhdesën vaja, më nam telefon e pukshis, sojnë më të ne, birloges sa i kaj. Konja qas. Urok mes kuckono. Pukshis, sa i kaj, these are the past tense verbs. In Udmurt, there are several forms of the past tense. Today, we are going to learn the first past tense form. It can be compared with the simple past tense in English. You may also use it to speak about the actions that have happened recently. There will be no mistake. As you remember, there are two types or conjugations of verbs in Udmurt. Pukshini, to sit down, is the first conjugation verb because it ends in ını. To form the past tense verb, we remove ını and add I. The suffix I shows that the action happened in the past. Then we add suffixes that denote which person and number the verb refers to. Mon pukshi, ton pukshit, so pukshis, mi pukshimı, ti pukshidi, sos pukshizı. We've used I because the stem of the verb before ını ends in the palatal consonant sh. If the stem ends with a non-palatal consonant, we add I with dots. For example, sultını, to stand up. Mon sulti, ton sultit, and so on. Saykani, to wake up, is the second conjugation verb as it ends in n. No I before it. We remove n and add the letter I to the stem for the first singular. Mon saykai, I woke up. In the other cases, we don't need a suffix that refers to the past tense. We just add suffixes that denote which person and number the verb refers to. These are the same suffixes that we use with the first conjugation verbs. Ton, saykat, so, saykaz, mi, saykamı, ti, saykadı, sos, saykazı. Mon vardishki, pichi purga yorosыsh, orloj gurtyn. Mon dyszecki, iszkaryn. Alimon ulishko, ishkaryn. Mon ulishko, ishkaryn. I live in Ijevsk. As you remember, there are no prepositions in Udmurt. Well, there are actually a couple of them. But anyway, instead of the preposition in, we use a noun with the suffix in that actually has the same meaning as in. Gurt, gurtyn. Ishkar, ishkaryn. Alnash yoros, alnash yorosyn. Udmurtia, udmurtian. Россия, россиan. Dunye, dunyeın. The suffix in is also used in adverbs of place. Tatın, here, and otın, there. Adverbs in Udmurt can change their endings depending on the case, just like nouns do. Ishkarın, bıçal tırlık potto. Alnash yorosyn, tros Udmurtios olo. Şarkan yorosыш bıgı gurtın, şion yuanlı sicem bıg-bıg festival orçe. Yar yorosyn, Flor Vasilyev kılburçivortskis. Sarapulın, başenin kupetslen dachaya sile. Udmurtian, trostun sıkoyes. If you want to know some other interesting facts about the touristic places in Udmurtia, check the travel blog Super Udmurtia. You'll find the link below. Ishkaryn, in Ijevsk. Dunyalı, to the world. Ish yosıleş, from my friends. You see that in English we used prepositions, while in Udmurt suffixes are used. Each suffix has its own function. As one word conveys several meanings, Udmurt words are usually longer, but there are fewer words in a sentence than in English. So, some suffixes that we add to nouns show their grammatical function in a sentence. When we add these suffixes, we change the case of a noun or conjugate it. So, do you remember that there are 15 cases in Udmurt? 7 cases are used only with inanimate nouns. These cases are called locative. Each case serves a particular function. English prepositions to, into or for plus a noun correspond to a noun in the elative case. This case shows the direction the action goes to. The elative case is indicated by the ye, suffix. Is used after the non-palatal consonants t, z, l, n, s, t and after the vowel u. In all the other cases we use ye. Uram, urame. Buсы, busıye. Gurt, gurte. Mon berti gurte. I've come back home. Mon mâni njullăscă. I went to the forest. Mon lăcti taci. I've come here. Some words like njullez, shin have stem changes. They are normally words of Uralic origin. So we need extra consonant before the case suffix. Njullez, njullăscă. Shin, shinme. English preposition from plus a noun corresponds to a noun in the elative case. The elative case is indicated by the își suffix. Uram, uramâși. Gurt, gurtâși. Mon uramâși pări. I've come from the street. Udmurt gimnazii șpinalios u moj dëshătsko. The children from the Udmurt National Grammar School study well. English prepositions along, around, through plus a noun corresponds to a noun in the prelative case. The prelative case is indicated by the yeti, eti suffix. Eti is used after the non-palatal consonants d, z, l, n, s, t and after the vowel u. In all the other cases we need yeti. Uram, urameti. Gurt, gurteti. Mon njullăscăti chema calgi. I wandered around in the forest for a long time. So uknoieti uchkis. He or she looked through the window. English prepositions to or till plus a noun correspond to a noun in the terminative case. The terminative case is indicated by the osh, yosh suffix. Osh is used after the non-palatal consonants d, z, l, n, s, t and after the vowels. In all the other cases, yosh is added to the stem. Uram, uramosh. Gurt, gurtosh. Mon, tachiosh vui. I've come to this point. The same case is used to express the time the action ends at. Mon uyojujai. I had worked till night. Adverbs in Udmurt can change their endings depending on the case. So let's use the adverbs tatân and otân in locative cases. Tatân, taci, tatâși, tati, tacioși. Otân, oci, otâși, oti, ocioși. Mon poti corcaș câre. Mon mâni urameti. Mon ali urocân. Mon luo urocân, das shijim ceasoși. Now we can move in space and time in any direction. Great, isn't it? Mon shumpotiško, nošton? Don't forget about the homework and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Adiškatoš, djeçlue.